Hello everyone, welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video I'm going to share 6 stocks which you can trade for intraday. So let's get started. First is Dabur. As you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of Dabur, and as you can see, it is at a very crucial resistance level, right? It is at a very crucial resistance level. So once the stock breaks out above this level and sustains, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider pivot as your target. Just in case the stock takes resistance from this level and gives a bearish sign, what you can do is you can just mark a level over here, and once the stock sustains below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can simply consider this level as your short target. Okay, very simple. Okay, it is on a very crucial horizontal level. If it breaks out, a long entry can be taken. You can consider pivot as your target. 1% target is enough for intraday. If it sustains below this level, you can take a short trade when this level can be considered as your target. Moving on to the next one, Lupin. As you can see, the levels are already marked. It's very beautifully respecting this horizontal level and trend line also. So we are not going to look for a long trade over here, because a long trade, I don't think it is going to be a very good long trade. So rather we are going to look for a short side in this one. Once it breaks the trend line, it breaks 200 EMA, and if it breaks the horizontal level, so if it gives all three confirmation, a short entry can be taken, and this too can be considered as the short targets. Okay, very simple. As you can see, I'll just zoom out to show you the levels. Okay, this is a crucial level, and 200 EM on 15 minutes time frame, a trend line that is respecting this one, and these are the two short targets. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have TCS. Okay, TCS, as you can see, it has given a breakout of 200 EMA, and it has been consolidating for a little while, right? Also, can we draw? Yes, I think we can. Perfect. So we also have a horizontal level over here. Perfect. So what you can do is, once the stocks breaks this level, I'm only going to give it for a long side. Okay, for short also I can give. This is a small box, so for short side also I can give. So let's look at the long side first. Once it breaks out this level and sustains above this one, a long entry can be taken. I'll just check for the levels. Okay, you can consider this level as your target. Okay, this can be considered as the first target, and this as the final target. For short side, just in case it takes resistance from this level and sustains below the box, a short entry can definitely be taken, and you can consider this level as your first target, this level as the second target, and the third one is going to be very big, but till this one is okay. Let's delete this one. Okay, we don't need this one. So this is it for TCS. Moving on to the next one, we have BPCL. Okay, BPCL, I can see a horizontal level over here. Okay, and it has also been consolidating in this range, right? So if the stock breaks down this level, a short entry can definitely be taken, and you can consider this as your first target, this as your second target. If the stock sustains above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your target, first target and second target. Okay, very simple. Again, it's on 200 EMA, it's on a support level, on a horizontal support, and it has also been consolidating for some time. So if it falls below, closer by sustain, I mean if it closes. Okay, if it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and this is the first target, and this is the second target. Once it sustains above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your first target, and the second one as your, of course, second target. Moving on to the next one, we have Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, as you can see, it has formed one bottom over here, and it has formed a second bottom over here. So tomorrow, if it sustains above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and you can consider 200 EM as your target. Yeah, you can consider 200 EM as your target, and also this is the neckline which you can consider as the target. Okay, so this is it for Bandhan Bank. Very simple. We are not going to look for a short side over here, because this has formed a double bottom pattern. So if it sustains above this level, okay, you can take an entry, or rather you can, for a safer side, you can take entry above this level. Once it sustains above this level, you can consider 200 EM as your target on 15 minutes time frame, and then you can consider this level also as your final target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, 200 EMA, let's remove. It's above 200 EMA, that is okay. Okay, so it is on a horizontal level again, right? Can you see, if I draw this further, can you see a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder, right? Once it sustains above this levels, very simple guys, a long entry can be taken easily. This target can be achieved. Let me see how big of a target this is. 0.7%. This is a small target. Okay, so I'll look for one more level. uh yeah, this can be your final target. Or if you can't hold it till the second, what you can do is you can just put pivots and consider a pivot level in between this one for your second target. Okay, so this is it for the video guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.